Okay, let's start with numerical number 9.4. At what value should the variable resistor, this one is that variable resistor, should be set such that the bridge is balanced? Okay, balance. Bridge is balanced means, now how you will find out the balance condition of the bridge means the ratio. When the bridge is balanced, you write it in the ratio format, right? The names of the resistor. So how resistor? So how you will write? Wherever we have output voltage का terminal, मतलब ये जैसे यहाँ पर there is output voltage will be found over here, or we usually keep here galvanometer. We usually connect over here galvanometer. You might have studied the theory part of this meter bridge, Whetstone meter bridge. Here we connect galvanometer. So how you will see, जहाँ galvanometer होगा वहाँ पे finger रख दो. Whatever resistors are over here, they will be in one ratio equal to the ratio of this resistors. If the galvanometer is placed in this format, you place your finger over here, P upon R, Q upon S. But here is that output voltage or galvanometer, whatever it is. So P upon Q, S, R upon S. P upon Q, R upon S. So this is the balanced condition of the bridge. Or you can also write at balanced condition. At balanced condition, P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Now Q is the variable resistor. We want to find out the value of Q. So to find out the value of Q, we'll take Q on right hand side. So what we'll have on left hand side? P into S upon R. Now we have the value of P, that is 1.36 K. Value of P is 1.36 K. Value of R is 300 ohm. Here it is 1.36 ohm. Value of S is 4.4 kilo ohm and value of K is unknown. Okay, into value of S is 4.4 kilo ohm upon R, that is 300, is equal to Q. So 1.36 K means 10 raised to 3. 4.4 K means 10 raised to 3 upon 300. So 2 zeros from here and 2 zeros from here gets cancelled. So 1 0 remains over here. So we have 1.36 into 4.4. Let's multiply. 1.36 into 4.4. 4 6 are 24. 3 4 are 12, 13, 14. 4 1 are 4 plus 1, 5. So 4, 4, 5. Because we again have 4. So 4, 8, 9, 5. We have 1, 2, 3 digits after point. 1, 2, 3. So it will be 5.984 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1, 4 upon 3 is equal to Q. So 3 ones are 3 point. 3 nines are 27. Again 3 nines are 27. Right? 3 fours are 12. Now 2 is left. 14 है 12 here. So because of point this becomes 0. So 3 6 are 18. So we'll take 1.994, just 3 digits after point, into 10 raised to 4 ohm is equal to Q. Okay. If I want to write it in kilo ohm format, so 1.994 into 10 raised to 4 ohm is equal to Q. Sorry, 10 raised to 3 because 110 we have removed from this. So 1.994 into 10 gives me 19.94 into 10 raised to 3 ohm is equal to Q. I can also write it 19.94 into 10 raised to 3 means the point will shift to 3 digits. 1, 2. We don't have a digit over here, so let's write 0. So 3 means it is 19940. 0.0, so we'll not consider that. Ohm is equal to Q. This is the value of the variable resistor. Okay, that is 19940 ohm. We can directly do it over here. Multiply this number with 10 raised to 4. So 1, 2, 3. यहाँ पर आए, we want one more digit over here. So 4. 0.0. After point a 0 will not consider that. समझो? So this will become whatever we have obtained. Done. ठीक है, so this is the value of the variable resistor. Now what is the next part of the question? Find the value of the output voltage across XY. We want the value of this output voltage which is connected across X and Y terminals when the bridge is balanced. Means again the bridge is balanced and we want the output voltage. Now Bridges balance means either we'll find out the potential difference across this two or across this two. If you're finding across this two and then calculating output voltage, you'll get an answer, and whatever answer you are getting by this side potential difference by calculating voltages, मतलब ये साइड पे पहले हम potential difference across resistor R, potential difference across resistor S, वो फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हम लोग आउटपुट निकालेंगे, ठीक है। फिर हम लोग पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस P निकाला, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस अक्रॉस Q निकाला, कैलकुलेट करके आउटपुट वोल्टेज. दैट मीन्स वॉट एवर आउटपुट वोल्टेज वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम R अपॉन S, it will be same as the output voltage coming out from these two resistors by calculating potential differences from these two resistors. इक्वल है ना, ये दोनों इक्वल है, तो इसको कैलकुलेट करके आउटपुट निकालूँ या इसको कैलकुलेट करके आउटपुट निकालूँ, सेम होगा आंसर, बिकॉज दिस टू रेशियोज आर इक्वल, ठीक है। बिकॉज एंड वाई दिस टू रेशियोज आर इक्वल, द ब्रिज इज बैलेंस, दे हैव टोल्ड अस ब्रिज, जब ब्रिज बैलेंस होगा तभी आउटपुट वोल्टेज निकालो. सो विल गो विद दिस टू resistors. So potential difference across resistor P, what is the formula for potential difference? Current into resistance. What current is flowing? I2. And what is the resistance? Resistance is 1.36. I'll write that. I2 current into the resistance is 1.36 K. 1.36 K, that is 10 raised to 3. ठीक है. Now what is the value of the, how will we calculate current? Current क्या होता है? Whatever is the battery voltage, battery 30 upon the resistance is total resistance. अच्छा, यहाँ पर I2 current flow हो रहा है, ये I2 current is also flowing from here, तो यहाँ पर total resistance ये दोनों लेंगे, that is 1.36 K plus 300. 1.36 K plus 300. समझा? So it will be 30 upon 1.36 into 10 raised to 3 plus 300. Okay, so 30 upon 1.36 into 10 raised to 3 is 1360 plus 300. So that becomes 30 upon 1360 plus 300 is 1660. Right? So this and this gets cancelled. So 3 upon 166. Okay, 3 upon 166. This is the value of I2 current. We'll take that over here. So potential difference across P is I2 current, that is 3 upon 166 into 1.36 into 10 raised to 3. 1.36 into 10 raised to 3 is 1360. Now calculate this. Okay. 3 zeros are 0, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4, 4080 upon 166. So we'll directly apply log over here without wasting much time. Anti-log, log of 4080 minus log of 166. Okay, so anti-log, we have 4 digits, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 pointer. We have 3 digits, 3 minus 1, 2 pointer. Now let's apply log. If you have logbook, say see 40 का 8 का 0. We don't have mean difference में 0, so just see for 40 का 8. For 40 का 8, it is 6107. 6107. Now let's see for 16 का 6. 16 का 6. 2201. 2201. Now subtract them. 3.6107 minus 2.2201. 7 minus 1 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. This becomes 5. 11 minus 2 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1.3906. So ये anti-log of 1.3906. ना anti-log में देखो 39 का 0 का 6. anti-log में जाएंगे, वहाँ पर 39 का 0 और 1 2 3 4 5 6, ये रहा 6. So 2455 plus 3, 2458. 2458. First digit के बाद point into 10 raised to whatever number we have before point, that is 1. So this becomes 24.58 potential difference across resistor P. Okay, now potential difference across resistor P is being calculated. Now potential difference across resistor Q. If you want to find out using this ratio, find out potential difference across resistor R and then potential difference across resistor S. Okay, and then calculate the way I'll be calculating. Then potential difference across resistor Q. It will be current into resistance. So what current is flowing through resistor resistor Q, that is I1. And what is the value of this resistor Q? We have just calculated it, 19940. So I'll be writing that I1 current into 19940. Now what is current I1? It is voltage, that is 30 volt upon the resistances from where the current is flowing. See, I1 current is flowing through this resistor and also through this resistor. So we'll add this two because they are in series combination में we'll add इसका वैल्यू Q रेजिस्टर का वैल्यू और ये वाले रेजिस्टर का वैल्यू, that is 4.4. तो Q रेजिस्टर का वैल्यू है 19940 प्लस ये है 4.4K. 4 यहाँ बताती हूँ, 4.4K मतलब 4.4 इंटू 10 raised to 3. 3 डिजिट्स पॉइंट्स को आगे लेके जाओ तो कैसे करेंगे, यहाँ डिजिट्स डाल दो, 1 2 3 यहाँ आएगा. सो इट विल बी 4400.0. After point we have a 0, will not consider this, so it is 4400. So 4.4 into 10 raised to 3 or 4.4K is equal to 4400. 4400. Now we'll add this 19940 4400. 0 plus 0, 4 plus 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. 9 plus 4 is 13. Yeah, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 is 14 and here 2. So it is 30 upon 24340. Okay, this is the value of the current. You can write unit as ampere. Sorry. Now write that value, 30 upon 24340 into 19940. Okay, now this 0 and this 0 gets cancelled. Now multiply 30 with this. Easy hai. 3 4s are 12. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. 3 9s are 27. 28 29. 3 1s are 3 4 5 and this 0 upon 2434. Without wasting time in cancellation, numerator denominator, directly apply log. That saves time. Log of 59820 minus log of 2434. Okay. Now here we have how many digits? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 minus 7 is 4. 59 का 8 का 2. ठीक है, लॉग में जाके 59 का 8 का 2 देखेंगे. 59 का 8 और 2, that is 7767 plus 1 7768 माइनस ये ज़ीरो को लेने की अब ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, कुछ भी होता है यहाँ नंबर तो नहीं ले पाते हम. नाउ हियर वी हैव 4 डिजिट्स. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 point. 24 का 3 का 4. 24 0 1 2 3. 24 का 3 का 4, that is 7. So 3856 plus 7. 3856 plus 7. 6 7 plus 6 is 13. 6 3863. Now we'll subtract 4.7768 minus 3.3863. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. This becomes 6. 17 minus 8 becomes 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So anti-log of 1.3905. 39 का 0 का 5. एंटी-लॉग के टेबल में जाके 39 का 0, that is 2455 का 8. क्या है? 39 का 0 का 5. 39 का 0 तो ले लिए, 5 देखते हैं, 1 2 3 4 5, 3 है. So 24, double 5 plus 3, 24, 55 plus 3, 58. So 24, 58. First digit के बाद point into 10 raised to 1. So this is 24 into 10 raised to 1. So point shift कर लो, 5 8. Potential difference across resistor Q. This is potential difference, so it will be in volts. Even here we have calculated, it will be in volt. Now see, if you see potential difference across resistor Q and potential difference across resistor P is same, 24.58, 24.58. So we'll find out output voltage as potential difference across resistor P minus potential difference across resistor Q. Okay. Potential difference across resistor P minus potential difference across resistor Q. So what is across P? 24.58. We have just seen it. What will be across Q? 24.58. So the output voltage is 0 volt. Okay.